brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like, it's better than yours. Damn right, it's better than.
Hello?
Hello, Sean. I wanna play a game.
Hello?
Hello, Kyle. I wanna play a game with you.
Hello?
Kyle, I wanna
Hello?
play. Fuck!
Oh, of course. Now it all makes sense.
Hello, Ryan. I wanna play a game.
How do you know my name? And what do you want from me?
I told you already. I wanna play a game.
Oh, right.
Actually, I wanna play a game with all three of you.
Where did you guys come from? We heard. Oh.
10 years ago, all three of you suffered from the disease known as ADHD, or Attention Deficit Hyperactive Disorder. For this reason, I will make all three of your lives miserable. The rules are simple. The last man standing wins.
Have you ever had the feeling like you were being watched? This summer, one sick perverted man will stalk 3 teenagers. They had no idea who he was or what he wanted.
I told you already. I wanna play a game.
He was quick, stealthful, and the master of camouflage.
We killed him.
Ah, shit!
Oh no!
Ah, shit!
First Kyle, now Sean. I win! Hello?
Hello, Ryan.
God?
No, you dumbass. It's me.
Oh, hi.
You have won the game. Now, you must kill yourself in the fridge.
Okay. Oh shit.
Ah, shit!